Hello and welcome to Coresignal. My name is Ugnis, and in today's video I'll explain how to use Coresignal's data to find talent based on specific criteria. Let's say you're building an HR technology startup that helps companies find and recruit professionals with very particular experience. For example, Vice President of Sales based in the United States working in specific industries. It's crucial to have a convenient way to access high-quality talent data for use cases like this. If you're looking for something similar, we offer two public web data solutions: our large-scale datasets that you can integrate your HR technology platforms or analytics tools with, and Employee API, a highly scalable tool connected to millions of public resumes, enabling on-demand retrieval of relevant records. Our data is continuously refreshed to make sure you're working with the latest information on candidates' experience. And freshness is easy to check because every record contains a last updated timestamp. The self-service platform is an excellent way to explore Coresignal's data on your own. Navigate to the Find Data section, select the relevant dataset, and select Search Parameters. I'm looking for VPs of sales based in the United States with professional experience working in the following industries: information technology and services, computer software, and computer and network security. Coresignal's employee data records consist of main employee information, data on active and past professional experience, certifications, projects, patents, recommendations, and more. The self-service platform is not only good for exploring data, but it also offers the option to download the results immediately, which is especially convenient for one-time requests or looking up specific information. This quick overview showed you a snippet of our data and how to use it. You can access the same information and much more using one of our data solutions, APIs, or datasets. Start your 14-day free trial and get 200 credits. If you want to discuss your use case first, contact us to book a free consultation. Thanks for watching.